Good morning, third standard. How are you all? Before we start this yummy class today, let's say the prayer. So join your hands, close your eyes and pray. Mata, Pita, Guru, Devam. Amma, Achan, Teacher, Devam. ഇത് നാലാളെയും റെസ്പെക്ട് ചെയ്യണം. അവർ പറഞ്ഞത് കേൾക്കണം. Alright? Okay. I hope you enjoyed the classes on chocolate. I'm sure you liked it because I definitely liked it. I hope you read this. So now you know how chocolate is made. And they're saying that there are 500 different varieties of chocolate. And the first chocolate bar was invented by Joseph Fry in 1847. Wow. Thank God. Because of him, now we have chocolates, right? Okay. So I'm not going to go through this at the moment, okay? Because you've already seen the video, which is self-explanatory. But I just wanted to show you that long knife, which that person is holding. That is called the machete. Just a moment. Yeah. Where's the machete? Yeah. Okay. And yeah, the tree that the cacao beans is called Theobroma cacao. Okay. So it is grown near the equator. It is a hot climate. And it is harvested twice a year. Sorry. And they break open the pods and the beans come out. And then they ferment it. And then only the seeds are left, which is then dried and sent to the factory. And then it is roasted and powdered and added sugar and made into chocolate. Okay. So on the next page, let's just do the true or false. Oh, sorry. Okay. Cacao beans are grown in hot countries, so it is true. Cacao beans are harvested once a year. Is it once a year? No, it is twice a year. So, yep. Okay, this is false. This I'm not able to write that. This is true. Okay, this is true. The workers climb the trees in order to cut down the cacao pods. That is false. What do they don't climb the trees because the trees are very fragile. It will break the branches. So they use the machete. After the shells are cracked, the beans are roasted. No, that is false. It is roasted and then the shells are cracked. If you want to have a look, you can have a look here. See here. The cacao beans are roasted. Then the shells are cracked. Okay. They add sugar to the paste so that it is sweet. Yes, true. When the mixture is heated, we have the final product. No. When the mixture is cooled, we have the final product. Okay. So if you want to have a look at the answer, it is here when the mixture is cooled. Okay. So we are going to learn something new called linkers of purpose. All right. Something called so that, so as not to, in order to. And in your textbook, they have given it in bold letters. Can you see that? So as not to break, in order to be, Can you see those dark ones? So that. Okay. So linkers of purpose is to show or describe the purpose of an action, why you're doing something. Okay. So the first link, the word that we use to link is to plus work. Okay. That means the student worked hard to pass the exam. Right? So why did he work hard? To pass the exam. So this 2 shows the action and the reason behind it, the purpose behind it. Okay. Another one, another linker that we use is so that. Okay. Maybe I'll just underline the linkers in yellow. Yeah. Okay. So 2 is the linker, and then you use the verb to show the link, the purpose. Okay. So that is also another one, plus the subject plus the verb phrase. So we say, we left early so that we would get parking. Okay. So here, so that is the link. Why did we leave early? We would get parking. Okay. Here it is a modal verb. Could, would, should. We've done that before. It's okay. Don't worry about that. But that is why they're saying verb phrase, not just verb. Okay. So that we would get parking. So when you see so that shows a link between the first part and the purpose, or the action and the purpose. Okay. Now, another link is a linker that we use is so as to, and then the verb. So use a plastic hammer so as to avoid damage. Okay. So as to plus the verb, avoid damage. So that is a positive way of saying so as to. If you want to make so as to negative, how will you do it? So as not to. Okay, you just add a not there. Right? We whispered so as not to wake up the children. Okay? Why were they whispering? So that they don't wake up the children. So you say it as so as not to wake up the children. Okay. In order to. That is another one. The positive way is in order to. We say, I stayed up late in order to finish my homework. In order to finish. Okay. Supposing it is a negative one, how will we say that? In order not to. That is the negative. It will be, I left home early in order not to be late for the exam. All right. So you don't have to by heart all these things, but you must understand. When you see these words, you must understand that it is a linker used for a purpose, to show a purpose. Okay. So here in your textbook, they've given you complete information about the chocolate production using linkers of purpose. Use the text to help you. Okay. So a machete is used for what? A machete is used to cut down pods so as not to break the tree. Okay. So here, so as not to. So that's the negative of this. Yeah. So as not to. All right. They use their hands. They use their hands so that the beans inside don't break. Okay. The beans are left in the sun. The beans are left in the sun. Where is it? They are left in the sun for another week. In the sun, after which it goes to the factory in order to be turned into chocolate. Okay. Sugar is added. Let's see. Sugar is added for what? To make it sweet. So sugar is added in order to make it sweet, so that the chocolate is sweet. We cannot use a negative one because it is a positive sentence. So sugar is added in order to make it sweet. Yeah. So yeah, in order to make the paste sweet, it is mixed with sugar. Okay. And now the last one. The mixture is cooled. So cooled what? When the mixture is cooled, we have the final product. So the mixture is cooled to get the final product. Alright. So which one will it be? To get the final product. Alright. So when you see these linkers, you will understand that there is an action and a purpose, and it is linked. Okay. So I'm sending you the document separately, this one. So just go through it and understand. That's it. You don't have to write it. And then, yeah, that's it. Mark all these true and false in your textbook and underline the correct answers on the other page 86. So that's it for today, third standard. Enjoy yourself. Have a lovely weekend. And I'll see you on Monday. All right. Take care. Bye. Jai Hind.